Welcome home.
Hello and welcome to Main Street Party of Four. Today we are checking into Disney's Riviera Resort and we are in room 8957. This is a deluxe studio. Here you go. Walk in. Immediately, the thing that I like the most about this resort is you have not one, but two showers. Two showers. That's my favorite part of this whole resort. All right, immediately when you walk in, you've got your closet, huge closet, safe, extra pillows, blankets, your vacuum, your ironing board, your laundry basket so that you can do laundry. This is a adjoining room that has another room attached to it. You have your kitchenette. Again, you have a full front, so that means this is a refrigerator, not a beverage cooler. It even has a freezer section on top. You have your microwave, your regular coffee maker. Here at Riviera, you actually have flatware and stoneware, not plastic, and disposable. Real glasses, and of course some to-go glasses, and your toaster, your ice bucket. You have the queen size bed, 3 drawers here, 3 drawers here, 2 drawers at the end, the drop down bed, and of course the world famous Riviera Murphy bed. And our view here, we have Epcot right there. You can see Guardians, you can see Spaceship Earth, you can see Living with the Land. Wow, what a spectacular view. I really like it. So there you go. This is a quick look at a deluxe studio here at Riviera. You know what we like to say, don't forget to share the magic.
Main Street Party of Four.